Hi, we're back to the show, and this is Samantha's Cooking Show Tips. So, well, it didn't happen so good. Well, now you know what happened for that. Next thing about rolls. People, well, rolls, they usually like butter on them. But this time, this person loves mustard, ketchup, and all the ingredients, all spicy ingredients, and all the little other things. So we're going to put some mustard, some ketchup. They're invisible so you can't see them. And all you need to do to make a perfect roll, I'm not going to show you because it keeps falling. Because mine's, well, you usually put this on, well, whatever it is, and then cheddar cheese, one piece of Swiss cheese, and that's about it for the roll. Then, if you want a very healthy lunch or dinner or a breakfast, get an apple or an orange. They're really yummy. Or you could get a tangerine, a plum, anything that's nutritious for you, like a fruit. Apples, every kind of them are good, but don't eat caramel apples for breakfast. Even if you have a wiggly tooth, you don't want it out then. Because if you have it in the morning, it just stays in your teeth, stays in your teeth, stays in your teeth until you go to bed, or if you brush your teeth 3 times a day. When you brush your teeth, that's the only time it will come out. Maybe the second time a day it will come out. Well, who cares? Well, if you want a really nutritious breakfast, fresher than any breakfast there ever was, get some fruit punch. Okay, it doesn't say the nutritious. Well, it says natural, but Subway fruit punch is the best. I saw you just had a commercial about it. It's great. And I don't serve chicken at all. I'm a vegetarian. So, if you want a more nutritious than that, take some water or milk. Water, this water's from Subway too. I love Subway a lot. I don't even buy my things from the store. I buy it all from Subway. And if you want an even healthier lunch, well, if you want a very, very candy lunch, well, a sweet lunch, get some cranberry juice or fruit punch or lemonade or chocolate milk or vanilla milk or smoothie, or then put it in a cup and sip. Now back to the apple. If you really want sweets, get the caramel apple. And just so you know, it's not good for you. That's all for now. Bye-bye. See you on the next cooking show.